Happy Friday, everyone. I am back with two more non-phone work at home job leads that I would like to share with you. And then plus we're going to talk about my low content books because I'm trying to help somebody make 1,000 or 5,000 a month selling low content books, as well as we're going to talk about how to fill out a online job application, show you a sample application, and give you two websites where you can go and practice your typing skills. As you can see on my screen, my channel is all about non-phone work at home job leads. So if you're looking for a non-phone work at home job where you're not on the phone, then you have landed on the right channel. So let's go ahead and dive right into the first job. Now we're going to be talking about Koza Mill. They're currently seeking account associates to work remotely. Now this job requires a bachelor's degree in accounting. And then this is a part-time job where they want you to work 20 hours a week. And you can work anywhere in the United States. And according to Glassdoor, the pay is between $18 and $32 an hour. So we're going to look on the screen and see what you're going to be doing here. You're going to perform monthly bank and credit card statement, and then you're going to help prepare the company's tax filing, and you're going to assist in regular system audits, and then you're going to communicate with employees of the company, vendors, and clients when issues arise. Now, it may be a little phone. I spoke with the hiring manager, but it's still considered a non-phone work at home job. The only way you're going to reach out is if you have issues. So again, it's just a little phone. They're looking for someone that has 3 and plus years of experience working as a bookkeeper, and then strong written and verbal communication skills and experience preparing sales tax returns is a plus. If this sounds like something that you're able to do, then all you need to do is go ahead and apply right now by clicking this button right here. Now we're talking about Insight Global. They're currently seeking remote data and document coordinators to work from home. No degree is listed. No state hiring restriction is listed. And according to Glassdoor, the pay is between $18 and $26 an hour. So to give you information about what you'll be doing is you're going to analytical data collection and data input, data analyst and data reporting. They're looking for someone that has advanced Excel skills, comfortable with maintaining and tracking accurate data, identifying if something goes wrong. You're going to be creating and maintaining an ongoing tracker, identifying new data and complete data. And again, this is a really easy job. It only requires 2+ years working in a high attention to detail and fast environment. Again, they want you to know Excel, have data entry experience. If this sounds like something that you're able to do, then all you need to do is click this button right here where it says apply. Now, we're going to be talking about low content books. Again, I am trying to help you out. This is a side hustle. You can make passive income over 1,000 a month doing this. Now, basically what low content books are: journals, diaries, coloring pages, coloring books, recipes books. This is all the platform. This is all the equipment that you need to create a low content book. Okay. So when I scroll down here, this is a low content book. This is a coloring pages. So in BookBoat, basically what you're getting is cover creators, interior designs, drag and drop, 1,200 plus free fonts, more than 1 million royalty free image patterns. This is all you're getting in this platform. And again, you can make puzzle books, activity books, coloring books. If you're interested in getting more information about BookBoat, go check out this video here where it says make 1,000 a month selling books online. I go into details. We talk about the pricing, and as well as I show you how easy and simple it is to make a low content book. So go ahead and check that out. There are pricing here. The pricings are $9.99 and $19.99. So if you choose either one of those, you'll get 20% off if you use my coupon code, which is Thressa Sweat lowercase. You can try this out for free. If you like it, go ahead and sign out. This is all you need to start a low content book. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Information will be under my YouTube description bar. Now we're going to talk about how to fill out a job application online. Okay. Now we're going to get right into it. Okay. So for those who don't know what an online job application is, it's a form on the internet where you can inform a company about your skills and relevant experience for a specific job or position. Okay. Now, how to fill out a job application online is that, of course, we all know that you have to have a computer and the internet to do all of this. Okay. So basically, too, you need to read the job description. You need to always read online job descriptions, can help you better understand what job you're applying for and if any additional requirements are necessary for your application, such as your resume, cover letters, and relevant experience or employment test. Now you need to prepare an electronic resume. Whether an online application requires you to upload a resume or fill in information piece by piece, it can be helpful to prepare your resume ahead of time using word processing software. And then you can also post your resume online. When you apply for jobs online, there may be an option to link an online resume to the job application. So posting your resume on job websites like Indeed can help link your resume to applications more easily and can help you apply to even more jobs in the future. And then write a tailored cover letter. An online application sometimes have an option for uploading or writing a cover letter for the open position. Drafting a cover letter that's tailored to the position before applying can help you prepare for the online application process. Practice filling out a paper application, because a paper application is the same as if you were going to fill it out online. So always practice filling it out. With a pencil, and make sure you complete everything to the best of your knowledge so you can be prepared when you actually do it online. And always know your availability. When are you going to work? Companies will sometimes ask for your work availability online application, especially for jobs like the food and retail and service world. And they may be want you to be specific with the days you can work during the week. So make sure you come up with what days of the week you can work, what time. And then also when you're filling out jobs online, like Indeed or any other platforms, you will have to create an account and then upload your resume to the website. And then recruiters reach out to you and when they see your resume online here too as well. And then sometimes you may have to take an employee test that can consist of typing test, grammar, and spelling. It just depends on the job. So be prepared that you might have to take an employee test online and use job specific keywords. Again, filling out an actual online application, it can be very helpful to use position specific keywords that were mentioned in the job post. Some companies filter their application using a keyword search to put candidates at the top of the list, similar to a resume. Not only your resume need to have keywords in it, but the job application as well. Always follow instruction carefully. You may need to fill out your information in sections on an online job application. When a section is completed, there is a often button at at the bottom of the web page. So make sure you read that, because it tells you to go to the next section and take your time writing answers. Don't rush. Review everything one more time before you hit that submit button, because you want to make sure everything is correct. The spelling, everything is correct, and search for relevant positions. If you're on a company career website that has other job postings available, and you already created an account, consider searching for the website for other position. With your first application already filled out and saved to the website, you can apply to other jobs more easily and follow up with the company. After applying, it's good practice to send a follow-up email to the company to inform them of your application, and restate your interest in the opening position. So I got this information on Indeed. This is just a great information so you can go by and know the correct way of filling out a online job application. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a sample job application. This is basically what a job online will look like, even though it looks different here, but it's still the same. And it's just very self-explanatory. You want to always put your name, your first, middle, last name, mailing address, city, state, and zip code, telephone number, alternate phone number. If you're under 18, you have to list your age and then put your email address, because that's how they respond, is through email. And a lot of people, what stands out is the social security number. A lot of people are skeptical about that. I say do your research before you give out your social security number. Every job that I discuss in my videos, I take upon myself to contact hiring managers to make for sure every job is legitimate before I list them on any platforms. But again, do your research before you give out your social security number. The purpose of the social security number is to identify who you say you are, and they do a background check. Now, when you go down to the job type, if you're really looking for a job, you will not have any preference, but if you do, Let them know what days of the week that you can work. And if you're seeking a full-time job or a part-time job, you need to let them know, or full or part-time job. So you need to let them know. And then how many hours can you work? And then can you work nights and the date available that you can start working? You need to let them know. Now, what stands out here is, have you been convicted of or into a plea of guilty, no contest, or hurt, or had a withhold judgment to be a felony? If this have happened, make sure you answer this correctly. Like I've said this before in one of my videos, is that when I was working on site, it was a particular person that had this on their records, and they lied, and they were at the company almost a year, and they were a good worker. They came to work, they did what they're supposed to do. And my supervisor had to tell them that, hey, we have to let you go because you lied on your application. So make sure you be truthful. Just because this happened, that don't mean you can't find a job. People every day gets hired with this on their background. So be truthful, okay? And then when you go down your education, your high school, if you don't know the mailing address or the address, Google it. You will find it. And then the years you completed, majors, degree, a high school diploma, same thing about college. You want to put that information, the name of the college, the education, the years you complete, your major, whether if it was a business administration, coding, coder, whatever the case may be, and what degree did you receive, associate's, bachelor's, master's, PhD, certification. You need to put all that information there, okay? And then when we scroll down, work experience, you want to list your previous work experience. You want to put the company's name, the supervisor, hours, address, city, state, zip, your start date, end date, starting salary, and final salary, phone number, your last job title. And the big one is reason for leaving. We get it. Everything is going up instead of your pay rate. So when you answer that question, you don't want to say the reason why I'm leaving is for more money, even though that's true. You want to say something like, the reason why I'm leaving is to use the skills that I have learned on previous jobs and bring it in here to help continue to help the company grow, something like that. Because when you put something like more money, a lot of employers look at it, if they're leaving that company for more money, they would do the same thing if we hired them on this company, and you will not get hired because of that. So make sure you think through when you put reason for leaving, okay? Even though I know it's true that cost of living are going up and people's pay rate are staying the same, you do not want to put that there because you're trying to get into the company, you're trying to get the job. So make sure you look out on what you're going to say on that. And then when I scroll down, the biggest one is reference. Always let whoever you put down, check with them and see if it's okay to use you as a reference, because if a company is interested in you, they will call your reference, and you want your reference to know. You don't want them to say, who are you? How do you get my number? Don't call me anymore. Because I hate to say this, people tend to judge people the same. If they see somebody on your reference acting up, they're going to think that you're that same person, even though you're not. So when you use people on the reference, always call them and let them know, look, I am applying for this particular job, and is it okay for me to put your name as a reference? Sometimes you got to explain to them what a reference is. Let them know that hiring managers will contact you. They will call you as well as email. So check your email. When they email you, make sure you respond immediately. So always let them know that, okay? So again, this is just a sample sample job application that I went over. You can go and look at it on your own time, as well as you can print it out and practice filling it out too online. Now, I am going to give you 2 websites where you can go and practice your typing skills. Like I always say, this is one skills that hiring managers are not going to train you on. You have to know how to type. This is free 99. This is no charge. It's typingtest.com. You can check your typing skills in a minute. You could choose 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute. You choose, and then take advantage of all these other typing skills test as well. And then official typing test, the great thing about this is not only can you practice your typing test, but you can practice your 10 key test, which is data entry. You will receive a typing certificate, as well as giving you typing tips. So make sure you go ahead and check this out. Now, I am going to do a recap just in case you missed something. We went over 2 websites where you can go and practice your typing skills. First one is officialtypingtest.com as well as typingtest.com. Go ahead and get your typing skills on so you can get where you need to get. Then we went over a sample job application. I walk you through of how to fill it out, as well as we discuss how to fill out an online job application. We talk about BookBoat. If you're looking for a side hustle opportunity to make passive income, either make $1,000 a month or even $5,000 a month, just creating low content books like journals, diaries, coloring pages, and coloring books, puzzles, recipes, then this is for you. Make sure you go ahead and check it out today. People are making passive income every single day. Again, I've started doing this and I'm waiting, and once I make that money, I am going to come on and show you my analyticals, and let you see how much I'm making. So make sure you go ahead and get on board today. This is a great side hustle, side opportunity to make passive income. Who wouldn't need an extra $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month? I know I would. So make sure you sign up today. That information is under my YouTube description bar, as well as don't forget to check out this video, Make $1,000 a Month Selling Books Online, No Writing is Required. I go in more details about BookBoat and also walk you through how to make a low content book and show you how easy it is. So go check that video out today. And we went over 2 non-phone work at home job leads. These companies are hiring right now. We talked about Insight Global. They're currently seeking remote data and document coordinators to work from home. No degrees listed, no state hiring restrictions listed. And according to Glassdoor, the pay is between $18 and $26 an hour. So if you're interested in applying, all you need to do is click right here. As well as we talked about Cozumel Mill. They're seeking account associates to work remotely. Now, this job do require a bachelor's degree in accounting. This is a part-time job. They want you to work 20 hours a week. You can work anywhere in the United States, and the pay is between $18 and $32 an hour. So if you're interested in applying, all you need to do is click right here to start your application. And of course, we talk about my channel. My channel, Real Work From Home Jobs with Thressa, is all about non-phone work at home job leads. So if you're looking for a work from home job where you're not on the phone, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that red button. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications, so when I upload new videos, you'll be notified, and that will give you plenty of opportunity to go ahead and apply for these positions before they're no longer available. People are getting hired every single day, and I would love for you to be the next one to get hired. If you would like to become a member of my YouTube channel, I would love to have you. All you need to do is click that join button. There is a short video explaining the benefits of becoming a member of my YouTube channel. Shout out to everyone that's already a member of my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to check out my community tab. That is where I engage with you. That is where I post, do polls and post quotes and ask you questions. Make sure you always get involved in the community tab, as well as when I upload new videos. A lot of people are saying that they're not getting their notifications when I upload new videos. I always post it in the community tab every single day. Again, mark your calendar, mark your schedule. My videos go out every single day at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. And all links to every job that I discuss will be under the video. All you have to do is go under the video, click show more, scroll all the way down until you see the word links to the jobs, and you'll be able to click on the link, see the job post, read it for yourself, and apply and submit your resume. Again, people are getting hired every single day, and I would love for you to be the next one to get hired. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.